here. Okay, today we are going to learn about bcrypt. Okay, so in terminal you can go, and in cmd you can go. After you go there, you can just do npm init -y. A package.json file will be forming here. Okay, as you can see, there is a package.json file, and here we should change the type to module. Okay, after we change the type to module, what we can simply do is we can simply save it and npm install bcrypt. Okay, now we are installing bcrypt also. As you can see here, there is bcrypt, so bcrypt is actually installed here. What I can simply do, I can simply make a file called example.js, or you can name it anything. Okay, so here I must import bcrypt. Okay, because we are going to use that. No, we have installed but we have not used it in our specific file, so we are importing bcrypt. So after importing bcrypt, what is quite necessary for us is like, I want to make you understand at first password. Okay, so const password is equals to hill123, and we will do console.log password. Okay, so afterward we do this and we run it. Okay, example.js. so we can see that hill123. okay, so the database is showing the password itself. Okay, now why it is wrong is like, because if the database, sometimes if the database will be leaked, then our password will also be leaked. No, so it is not a good way to store the password. So what we simply do, bcrypt dot we will use a hash here, and what we need to change, okay, that we will write, and we will write here const. Okay, and we will store it in a variable called hashed password. Okay, after this you can see bcrypt.hash. We can give any factor, we can give factor 5, but we want to make the encryption little bit tough, no, to crack, so we will use a sort factor of 10. Okay, after password we are using sort factor, and okay, because it will take some time, okay, to do, so we will use await. If we will not use await, then the code will jump from here to here. Okay, so what await simply does is it simply says that you should wait for some time. Okay, because some type of computational is going there. Okay, or some type of computation is going there. So after doing this, you can see here, still the password won't be changed, because our previous example, as you can see, our previous example is like hill.123. it will be printing hill.123 as well. Okay, but now when we show hash password, then at that time what will we be getting? Okay, node hashed password, sorry, node example.js. now we will be getting some kind of password like this. Okay, so this is all about hashing. Okay, now we will learn about what compare actually is. For example, we use bcrypt again. Okay, as I have shown you that, or told you that bcrypt takes some any type of bcrypt operation, they'll simply take some time, so we will just use await, so to avoid any type of error. Okay, and we will use compare here. Now here we compare our original password, and here we compare our hashed password. Okay, and we will store this in a variable called is correct. Okay, after we store this, we will just console.log and print is correct. Okay, at first I will store const pass. Okay, in pass I will write something like 2 3 4, like river 1 2 3. So now, okay, now if I will use pass instead of password, if I will use pass here. Okay, so this pass is river 1 2 3. Okay, but this has been generated according to our password, not this pass, it had been generated according to our password. Okay, so now what will be our output? We will see that. Okay, you can see there it is giving false. Why it is giving false is because this pass, okay, for this pass this hash password has not been generated. Okay, and now when we will try simply with password, okay, and place ctrl as and simply node example.js. You can see here it is true, okay, and if it's correct, then we simply console.log allowed to login, and else then console.log not allowed, okay, and we will run it once to check what will happen. So now node example.js allowed to login. We are allowed to be login because we have put the correct password here for which the hash had been made, okay. But if we will put something like this here, pass here, okay, and we will log in again, then we will simply not be allowed to log in. Yes, what is an answer, guys? Not allowed. So compare is used for comparing simply the original password, okay, and the hash password, and bcrypt.hash is simply used for hashing the password. So it is the pedigree in which you hash the password, okay. You can use any, but here, but you can use, but 10 is very good. And you are using await here. Why you are using await? Because it takes some time, okay. If you will not use await, it will jump from here to here and our computation will not be completed and it will show error. So for that reason, so thank you if you watched this video.